Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Stir Fried Kailan. It's a very simple dish. And it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Wash the kailan and break them into smaller pieces. Peel off the skin of the carrots and slice them thinly. Peel off the skin of the ginger and julienne cut them. And that's all for the preparation. At high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add in 1.5 teaspoon of grated garlic and all the ginger. Stir them for around 10 seconds. Then add in the carrots and stir them for around 10 seconds. Then add in the kailan. If it is too dry, you can add in 2 tablespoons of water. Cook for around 2 minutes. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And half teaspoon of salt. Mix them up and you are done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!